Does anybody have any idea how circumstantial it is? Not circumstantial, how coincidental it is that black people became slaves of the United States? Y'all know it's not because you're black, right? I mean, I wish somebody would understand that. When the Dutch settlers bought the slaves from the African tribes who already had slavery. Slavery goes back in Africa, Egypt, and all that, back to, God, biblical times. Who built the pyramids? Slaves. Who built the Sphinx? Slaves. Who did everything in Egypt? Slaves. Who did everything in Africa? You had slaves. And most of the slaves were criminals. They were the lowest of the low, and they were sold as such. People get mad when they hear these things because nobody wants to hear the truth. The truth is real. It is coincidental. We did not leave America to go steal African people. We bought them from their people that sold them to Dutch. And the only reason we had them is there was a black slave owner, and everybody saw how he was from Africa. He was a free man. And they saw how easy he had it. They saw the benefit of having a slave. It's not the white man's fault. Quit blaming people. Yes, there were people that were upset when slavery came to an end, I'm sure. But you know, a lot of the slaves actually were confused and didn't even know what to do with themselves now that they weren't slaves. A lot of slaves were left alone. They spent their time just doing their work, going home, spending time with their family. A lot of slaves, yes, there's bad people in the world. There's murderers, there's killers, there's bad cops, there's bad humans, there's bad family members, there's bad bosses. Back then, yes, a lot of slaves suffered hardships. Not all of them. Some of them had it pretty good. If you want to hear more, let me know. Y'all do realize that these Democrats you're trying to vote for like socialism, and socialism is very close to being slavery. Wonder why that is. Think it out. They're trying to remove their monuments and all these things to get rid of the thought of slavery so that when you become their slaves, it doesn't bother you. Let's make it normal again like it used to be. Think about it.